like to discuss about the instruction codes in computer organization. So, first of all, we would like to know about how we are going to define a best computer or best system. We are considering to define the best computer. The following are the three things. One is the storage. The second one is the processing capability. The third one is how we are going to write the program, that is instructions. So the computer or the system which have the good storage capability and good processing capability, as well as the capacity of the system may also depending upon the skill of the programmer, how he can instruct the computer. Now I define these three things in another way. We are going to be define the good computer, good or best computer organization is one set of registers. We know that the registers on the processor which can store the data and instructions. The second one, timing and control, that is the processor, how it can execute or process the instructions and control the program as well as the remaining hardware parts of the system. The third one is the set of instructions. So how many instructions or how many different type of operations the particular system can do. For example, this system is able to perform addition and subtraction, but the another system able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. No doubt the second system is the best system because it is able to understand the four instructions and perform the four operations, right? Hence we can define a best computer as a set of registers, timing and control, and set of instructions. Now our discussion is about the this one instruction codes. We know that what is a program. We know that a program is also a set of instructions, and we know that the instructions are executed in a sequential order, one after another one, from top down manner. That means from top to bottom. The first instruction is executed first, second instruction is next, third instruction is next, and so on in that one. So the program is a set of instructions. What is a particular instruction? Suppose we are going to be considered an instruction. What is an instruction? So the instruction in general, I am going to define as a sequence of actions or sequence of operations. Actions or operations. An instruction is a sequence of actions or operations. I will explain it with an example. Let us consider, for example, let us consider, right, C equal to A plus B. This is an instruction. This instruction consisting of various operations, that is load A, that means get the value of A from the memory. Suppose A value may be 13, and load B, get the B value from the memory. Suppose B value may be 5 and perform the addition, add A comma B. So this will be happen in the processor, right, in the control unit. The A and B are stored within the registers R1 and R2, and after that store at C. That means again get store the result, process the result in the memory in the location C. So this instruction C equal to A plus B consisting of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 operations. Hence, I am going to be call it as an instruction is a sequence of operations. These operations are also known as a micro operations. Micro operations. That means these are very basic or elementary operations which are performed on the data stored within the registers, right? Hence I am going to be call it as a micro operations. Now I would discuss about the what is the format of the instruction. Suppose here we can observe A plus B is an instruction, we can observe that A and B are the operands, that means data, and actual operation, the plus is the actual operation. Hence, we are going to be say that an instruction is a combination of operands plus operations. So the operations are specified by the operators. How we are going to be denote or how we are going to show the operation with the help of the symbols known as the operators. Hence, I am going to be draw the diagram of an instruction. Please note that the instruction is a is like that is like that which has the two parts. One is the opcode, another one is the address part. So this is the format of the instruction. What actually the opcode represents? The opcode means operation code. The opcode represent what kind of operation to be performed on the data, to be performed on data. Here the data is not available. Hence, here in the part of the instruction available only address of the memory location. This is the address of memory where data is available. So hence we are going to be consider, right? Let us please give me some time. Hence we are going to be consider this is the instruction which has the opcode part and the address part. So let us consider the total length of instruction has n bits, small n bits. The opcode consisting of the k bits and the address consisting of the p bits. So the opcode consisting of k bits means k bits it means that the computer or the system is able to perform, is able to execute, or is able to understand 2 to the power of k instructions. So let us consider, eh, let us remember the previous one. The instruction is always in a binary code. Don't worry, in the machine format, in the format of ones and zeros. Suppose the I am going to consider the opcode has 3 bits. Here k equal to 3. Then the system is able to perform 2 to the power of 3, that means 8 operations. For example, suppose 000, this is one operation, may be clear, and 001 is the load, and 010 is maybe add, like that. Here I am going to be explain only the example, right? It has the 3 bits, 8 operations. Here out of that one, for example, I am going to be write only 3 operations. And again we are going to be consider the address part. The address part has the p bits. Then its memory capacity is 2 to the power of p locations. And each and every location address has p bits. That means again I am going to be explain. Suppose the p value equal to 4, then the system's memory consisting of 2 to the power of 4, that is 16 locations. For example, let us consider this is the memory of the a particular system. This is the first location. Its address is 0000. That means p bits, 4 bits. And the second location address is 0001. And third location address is 0010. The fourth location address is 0011. In the same way, and so on. The last location address is 1111. Total, we can observe that there are 16 locations. Hence, this is the basic structure of the instructions, right? Opcode and address part. I divide this concept into two ways. One is to explain the instruction codes. The second one is the stored program organization. So now I complete the instruction codes. In another video, I can explain the stored program organization. That is also very important concept in computer organization. I hope you can understand this video. Thank you.